All right, class, I thought since we reviewed adjectives, we might as well review adverbs. Class, what does an adverb do? The name, what it does is kind of in the name, which is what I like. An adverb adds information to the verb. So it tells us more about the verb. And there's different questions that our adverbs can answer. How, when, those ones. The one I wanted us to focus on today is how often. So if I say, let's see, I run always. Let's see, always is adding information to run. That means always would be an adverb. It's adding information to the verb always. All right, well, let's go to our adverbs page on 29 and put always on it. All right. So let's see. So our question, how often? Oh, we also have never here. Never. Let's go ahead and circle that because we learned that one. And we know that that's what part of speech? Good, an adverb. All right, so we have never. Now let's put the opposite. Let's put always. All right, what's the first syllable in always? Good, all. And which ah do we use in always? Good, a, in the first syllable. The second syllable, ways, which a do we use? Good, a two-letter A that we do use at the end of English words. And which z? Good, s, z. All right, one more time. What's our first syllable in always? Good, all, and the second syllable? Good, ways. Go ahead and write it with the syllables. Say the sounds while you write them. All right, class, what's our first syllable in always? Good, all, which ah? Good, a. And the second syllable? Good, ways, which a? Good, a two-letter A that we do use at the end of English words. And which z? Good, s, z. All right, let's mark it. I hope you marked it on your own without me so you can check and see if you got them all right. All right, well, we've got two more adverbs. We've only learned four so far, but we'll keep on learning more adverbs. Do you think that always and never are opposites? Let's see, I always run, I never run. Are those opposites? I think they are. Who remembers our fancy name in English for opposites? Good, the fancy name is antonyms. So let's go to our antonyms page and put always and never on our antonyms page. All right, page 13, we have our antonyms. Let's write never first. What's the first syllable in never? Good, nev, and the second syllable? Good, which is it? The of her. Good, say it while you write it. All right, class, what's my first syllable? Good, nev. And my second syllable? Good, which the of her. Never. All right, the opposite of never is what? Always. All right, which ah do we use in always? Good, a. And which a in the second syllable? Good, a two-letter A that we do use at the end of English words, right? Always, say it while you're writing it, and then mark it. All right, class, what's the first syllable in always? Good, all. And the second one? Good, ways. All right, nice work with that, class. Gosh, we've got shorter videos today just because things don't go in big chunks as well, but we'll have a couple more. I'll see you then.